What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enlarge or even add a new hole to your door for a new doorknob or deadbolt lock set. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to this one. Alright, so this is going to be the same job if you need to enlarge the hole or if you want to go ahead and add another hole for a doorknob or deadbolt. So see, I went to put this new lock on, and when you push it in, it just doesn't fit right because this has the old drill pattern for an old door set. This hits it in the middle. So what we need to do is we need to enlarge this hole. Okay, so you're going to need at least one hole saw bit. I'll go ahead and put some links into the description to the hole saw set, but you're going to need a 2 1/8 inch size. That is the standard size for a doorknob or deadbolt lock set. So this is one of those universal kits. Okay, so you take your hole saw bit and we drop the pilot bit. It's the drill bit in. Then it has a lock nut that goes on, and we snug that down good and tight. So it looks like that. Put it into our drill. Okay, now the placement of the actual hole can be two spots. From the edge to the center of the hole, it can be 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 in on the door. Now depending on which lock set you have or which key set, most of them now are adjustable. If you just move this little pin right here, move this pin up and over, and then see how it slid over bigger, and then to make it smaller we lift up on the pin, slide it over. So this hole is set up at a 2 3/8, which is fine, so I'm just going to leave the placement of the hole the same. Now if we were to just take our hole saw and start going to town, this hole saw would probably drift around and make a pretty ugly cut. So let's go outside and make a template. Alright, I've just got a little scrap piece of plywood here. We'll set that up. Then I'll just go ahead and use our hole saw to drill a hole through it. Now we've got a nice little template. Alright, let's go ahead and mark 2 3/8 right on our door so we'll know where the center needs to go. And then we'll center our template right over the hole. We'll clamp it down to the door. Before we drill, let's go ahead and put some tape over the back of the hole so we don't get a bunch of tear out in the wood. Tear out's when you push through the wood and it breaks when it comes out the other side of the bit. Okay, now we can go ahead and drill the hole. Take your time. Let the bit do the work, especially when you come out the other side. I actually need to chip this part out first, then I can get the back half. Okay, now we've got the hole drilled. Now our regular lock or lock set will fit. If you're adding a new one, you'll have to add this 1-inch hole right here from the side, centered right into this hole. This is just a 1-inch spade bit you can use, and then you just have to chisel a little of this out for the deadbolt or this part of the door. Alright guys, hopefully something in this video helped you out. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell, and if you could, give it a thumbs up too. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.